Hi there. Today I'm gonna teach you how to install WordPress on AwardSpace Hosting, which is a free hosting provider. So here we go. Okay, click on your Zappy app installer, which is basically a script installer. Sorry for using the word basically, but I'm gonna butcher this a lot. So bear with me. Okay, so just select WordPress from this large list of CMS. Click on it, approve it, make a subdomain. A subdomain is basically uh, a domain that you get from the hosting provider. It's not a .com. It's something that they provide you, like a dot. In our case, it's .awardspace.com. So if you're done properly with that, and if it's done right, you're gonna see that message on the top of your screen. Make a password, like a username and a password, so you can basically, there you go again. See, that's what I meant. So you can, log in, log out at will, and also give access to yourself or someone else if you have a team that you're working with on this project. Okay, so you process that information. It's now going to install the required files, create a database, and set up an MySQL database on the back end for your WordPress install. So everything goes smoothly. This process takes a little while, but just bear with it. It's worth it. And we are almost done over here. Okay, so right now what it's doing is basically it's creating the files that we solely need. Okay, we are done, and that's it. You just save your password over there, and you're gonna see this message of successful installation. Click on the dashboard link, and here you go. WordPress 6.0. So that's how you technically install WordPress on your free hosting provider. For more videos and updates, stay tuned on Next Marketing Solutions, and see you on the next one.